Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. And this tutorial I'll be talking about dictionary symbol identity part 2. And I want you to know that I'll be talking about combining alphabet with diacritical marks. Combining alphabet with diacritical marks. And I want you to know that in this tutorial, those diacritical marks are represented with number. So we have to work with ampersand hash, because for you to write a number to become a symbol, you have to put an hash. So let's first of all write our H1 and write the HTML symbols entities. Okay, so Ctrl S, or you can save it on your file menu here. So first of all, let me write out those entities. I'm gonna write it out in H2. So we first of all write the ampersand hash 768. You put your semicolon, you come back H2, Ctrl Z, H2, I write my ampersand hash 769, semicolon, H2, ampersand hash 770, my semicolon, and now H2, I will talk about ampersand 771, and then semicolon, but I forgot to put a hash. So these are the symbols we are going to be talking about, and they are called diacritical marks, and you can combine them with our alphabet. For better explanation for those Yoruba people, they say it is called Ami, and they say it has Ami OK, Ami Henry, and Ami Sale. So let's quickly save and refresh it. So you can see those symbols we'll be really talking about in this tutorial. But first of all, I'm gonna take a look at a name, and I'm gonna mix those symbols with that name, and that name is gonna carry those symbols on its head. So let's just put H1 for that name to be big and for the symbol to really appear, and the name of, and that name is Tolu. So I'm gonna be copying and pasting.